I myself salute this guy for raising awareness to the public, to warn public for pickpockets, for pickpockets alert. Atensyon ni pickpocket, atensyon pickpocket, atensyon ni pickpocket, atensyon pickpocket. Two pickpockets were spotted at the subway near Rome Airport. One of them pretending to be pregnant. The man who bravely exposed him was assaulted as they tried to escape. Be extra careful, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Be extra careful, everyone. Pickpockets often operates in busy areas like metro, airports, bus stations, where tourists are easy targets. Stay alert and protect your belongings. Atensyon ni pickpocket, atensyon pickpocket, 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 atensyon pickpocket, atensyon pickpocket, atensyon ni pickpocket. Looking for easy targets. So stay alert, secure your bags, and don't let them fool you. So that's it. Much love.